As you can see in this clip, I'm creating some exciting effects in the background of my acrylic painting of Britney Spears. I'm using a large Mandala stencil that covers one side of my painting. I'm sticking to the same colors I've been using all along. You can check out my other videos of the Britney Spears painting to see how I started this one. Now I'm applying a lighter color where it's dark and a darker color where it's light. This way I'm achieving a cool transition effect in the background without using complementary colors. I move my stencil and repeat the process in the other corner so that the effect isn't concentrated in the one spot and doesn't overwhelm the picture. On top of the first layer I make a second layer, as you can see here. I add some neon colors on the top just to lift the color and give more life to the painting. Again, I still work in the same tones and I still stick to the pinks. Next I take another stencil with some dots in various sizes and then I do the same, working here and there. This adds layer upon layer of effects while sticking to the same color tones. Finally, I place my mandala stencils back where it was originally and use the green acrylic paint to create a complementary color. Not one that steals the spotlight, but adds a subtle contrast to my Britney Spears painting. Once again, for balance, I also work the green color into the opposite corner. If you found this short video enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn to paint your own awesome artwork, subscribe to my channel, which already has a bunch of exciting tutorials for you to dive into and get inspired by. See you there!